Hello guys, welcome back to Job and Tech Updates YouTube channel. So before getting into today's video, if you have visited our YouTube channel for the first time, please do subscribe our channel for all the latest job updates and SAP HANA and S4 HANA tutorials. So now without any further delay, let's get into today's video. So guys, today again we are back with the various job openings from multiple MNCs. So firstly, let's see what is there from MountBlue for all freshers. So guys, it's a software development engineer position for Bangalore location, and also here you can see they have disclosed the salary details, which is a 4,800,000 per annum. So which is a very good package for this position. So both freshers and experienced can apply for this role. So guys, just don't miss this opportunity if you are eligible for this particular role. And now let's quickly see what is your eligibility criteria. So coming to your qualification, you should be familiar in any of these programming languages like either JavaScript or Java or PHP or Python, and you should have an excellent communication skills, both verbal and written. So that's about your skill set, nothing more than that. So any graduate is eligible to apply for this position from 2022 and 23 passed outs, and also experienced can apply for this position if you are proficient in any of these programming languages. And coming to your responsibilities, here you have to work in a team where you have to develop, compile, test and debug and deploy the software. So which means you'll be involved in an end-to-end development scenario, so which is really helpful for your career. And you have to develop a web and mobile applications using JavaScript, Python, Java, HTML and CSS. So you have to ensure them like 100% timely and detect a free software deployments. So you have to write the documentation for the software and APIs, and also you'll have to support the software during a production time, and you have to provide the fixes like whenever there are any kind of issues. So guys, that's a very quick information about this position, and also you'll have the opportunity to interact with and learn from the CTOs and directors of engineering of leading technology startups in India. So that means you can just explore all the areas of technology by interacting with these members. So that's a very quick information here. And here you can see, once you get selected for this position, you'll be given a 12 to 13 weeks of training program, and once the training is completed successfully, you'll be offered the role for software development engineer position for 4,800,000 per annum. So guys, just don't miss this opportunity. Apply it as soon as possible if you are interested in this position from MountBlue. And now let's see what's the other position. So guys, it's a very good opportunity from Techmahindra for both freshers and experienced, where they're hiring in a good number for a 3 to 6 lakh per annum package. So they've disclosed the salary details here. Here you can observe. So it's a very good opportunity. So basically it's a customer support role, and your job location would be Hyderabad, Bahadurpalli. So any graduate or undergraduate or postgraduate from any stream can apply for this role. And it's all like you should have excellent communication skills, both verbal and written. So that's about your skill set, nothing more than that. So if you are looking for these kind of non-technical positions, just don't miss this opportunity. And both freshers and experienced can apply, like up to 5 years experienced candidates can apply for this position, and your package would be somewhere between 3 lakh to 6 lakh per annum, so which may vary based on your experience. And coming to your responsibilities, here you have to interact with your customers, understand their needs and provide resolutions on time by using the right methods or tools, and you have to handle the customer complaints and provide appropriate solutions, so for which you have to follow a communication procedures, guidelines and policies according to your company requirement. And so basically it's a first line help desk role where you have to resolve both basic level 1 and level 2 issues, and including remotely troubleshooting the issues. So that's about your responsibilities. And coming to your interview process, you can just directly walk into this address, which is Bahadurpalli, Hyderabad. So you can just check this address and directly walk in this particular address up to 3rd November between 11 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. And also if you find any kind of issues in contacting them, you can just contact this person Sabin on this number. So you have to work in rotational shifts as well, where you have to you can just go to your office like 5 days in a week, and you can get a rotational off either on in any of the week, for which you'll be paid a good shift allowances up to 5 to 10k per month in addition to your monthly salary. So guys, just don't miss this opportunity. Apply it as soon as possible. It's a very good package for this particular non-technical position. Apply it as soon as possible. And now let's see what's the other position. So guys, it's one more position open from Techmahindra for International Voice Process Executive. So they have also disclosed the salary details here. Here you can see a 2.5 lakh per annum for fresher, and for experienced, they'll be paying around a 4.1 lakh per annum. And coming to your responsibilities, it's all like you should have excellent communication skills, both verbal and written, because you have to provide good customer support and you have to answer their queries on time. And you should be comfortable working for night shifts as well. So it's a 24 by 7 shift where you will get two rotational offs, and also they'll be giving you a two-way cab facility, and also you'll be paid a shift allowances as well, for which you'll be given around 5 to 10k per month in addition to your monthly salary. So your work location is Hyderabad, Bahadurpalli Techmahindra campus. So any undergraduate or graduate or postgraduate can apply for this position. So guys, it will be around 2.5 lakh per annum to 4.1 lakh per annum, so which may vary based on your experience. So both freshers and experienced can apply for this role. And if you are interested in this position, you can just share your resume to this particular email ID, so that you'll be given a next hiring process details. So apply it as soon as possible if you are interested in these kind of non-technical positions. So now let's see what's the other position. So guys, we have a graduate trainee engineer position open from Siemens for both freshers and experienced, for which you can expect up to 4.5 lakh per annum and up to 8 lakh per annum for experienced candidates. So now let's quickly see what is your eligibility criteria here. So it's a permanent opportunity from ENY, so it's not any contract based job. So here you can see your eligibility criteria, all diploma or degree candidates, or if you have any previous experience of up to 1 year in fire life safety systems, so you can apply for this position then. And it's good if you have a previous experience in designing a basic fire life safety system and a good knowledge on AutoCAD or Bluebeam software, and you should have excellent communication skills and a good knowledge on Microsoft Office. So that's about your skill set and eligibility criteria here. So from any stream, all diploma and degree candidates can apply for this position. And coming to your responsibilities, here you have to understand your customer requirements and their needs and resolve the issues in a positive manner. So you should be able to understand the building plans and specifications and able to adapt all the shifting demands and competing priorities from customers and internal partners to manage time effectively and meet the given deadlines. So that's about your role for this particular position, which is a graduate engineer trainee from Siemens. So guys, if you are interested in this position, you can just apply for this role. So both freshers and experienced can apply for this. Just don't miss this opportunity. And now let's see what's the other position. So guys, we have openings from Barclays for software engineer position, and it's for Pune location. So you'll get posted in Pune location once you get hired for this particular role. So it's for a minimum experienced candidates where you can expect up to a 10 to 12 lakh per annum. So it's a permanent opportunity from Barclays, so it's not any contract based job, and this has been posted recently, which is on October 27th. So coming to your eligibility criteria, so here you can see all BE or BTech or any equivalent qualification candidates can apply for this particular position. So you should have a good experience on core Java, J2EE design and banking applications, and a strong web service development experience using REST, and good understanding on object-oriented designing and programming techniques, data modeling and design patterns, and extensive experience of Spring, JavaScript, JDBC and SQL, and also a good hands-on experience on JBoss and Hibernate, and a good communication skills. And also it's good if you have a knowledge on Linux or Unix based systems and hands-on experience in workflow applications, and exposure to AWS, cybersecurity, cryptography, and good knowledge on Oracle and NoSQL database experience. So here you'll get posted in a Pune. So that's about your eligibility criteria and responsibilities here. And here mainly you have to work on automation of the work that is carried by operations team, and you'll have a hands-on development across the applications. So that's about this role, which is a software engineer position from Barclays for minimum experienced candidates. So guys, apply it as soon as possible if you are interested in this position. And now let's see what's the other role. So guys, we have a software engineer position open from NetApp for both freshers and experienced, for which you can expect up to 5 lakh to 12 lakh per annum, which may vary based on your experience. So now let's quickly see what is your eligibility criteria for this role. So all bachelor's or master's degree candidates from any stream can apply for this, and all freshers and experienced up to 3 years can apply for this position. So that's about your eligibility criteria. So coming to your skill set, so you should be proficient in Go, Java, C++, with a good understanding of OOPS and scripting language like Python or Shell script. And it's good if you have a good experience in file systems, storage protocols, and a good understanding of data structures and programming practices, and excellent debugging skills, and good communication skills, both verbal and written. So that's about your skill set, nothing more than that. And coming to your responsibilities, so as it is a developer role, you will be involved in design, implementation, and verification of systems and subsystems. And also you will be involved in automation, debugging, performance analysis, and you have to participate in your technical sessions with the team and with other groups. And you will be involved in testing activities. And also you have to sometimes work on ad hoc tasks based on your business requirement. So guys, that's a very quick information about this particular role from NetApp for both freshers and experienced. So if you are proficient in these languages like Java, C++, Python, Shell script, you can just quickly apply for this role. And now let's see what's the other position. So guys, we have a process executive position open again from Infosys for all freshers, for which you can expect up to 3.5 lakh per annum. So all freshers from 2021, 22 and 23 can apply for this position. So it's all like you should have excellent communication skills, both verbal and written, in order to understand your customer needs and resolve your client issues. So you'll have to work in 24/7 shifts, for which you'll be paid a good shift allowances as well, and you'll have a rotational week off, and you have to work from office. So it's all like, it's just like you should have a good communication skills. So any graduate can apply for this position from 2021, 22 and 23. So it comes under BPO service line. So that's about this role from Infosys. So let's see what's the other position. So guys, it's a very good opportunity from Cognizant for junior data analyst position for all freshers and minimum experienced candidates, like from 6 months to 1 year experience. So you'll get a post in a Coimbatore location once you get hired for this, and you can expect up to 3.5 to 5.5 lakh per annum based on your experience. So coming to your eligibility criteria, any graduate or postgraduate or a doctorate degree in life sciences or pharmacy or medical sciences or a registered nurse also can apply for this particular role. So coming to your skill set, it's good if you have a pharmacovigilance and safety OPS skills and PV case processing. So it's a full-time opportunity from Cognizant. And coming to your responsibilities, so here you can see mainly you should have a good customer interaction and understand all the domain process, sub-process or functions and terminologies such as SOP and QC checklist. And for PV or compliance, here individual in this role you have to perform data entry of data that is received from your source documents into the respective clinical or safety database. And also while performing this activity, you will be responsible for meeting turnaround times and accuracy. So you should be entering an accurate data into these respective databases from your source documents. So that's a very quick information about this position from Cognizant. So guys, if you are interested in this, just apply it as soon as possible. So guys, that's it for today about these various roles from multiple companies. So if you are interested and eligible in any of these roles, just apply it as soon as possible. And also you can refer to other coding and non-coding jobs in our channel, which are listed according to the playlist and which are still open from long ago. So please do check those as well and apply as soon as possible before they get expired. And guys, if you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel for all the latest job updates and SAP HANA and S4 HANA tutorials. Thank you.